article. Bust in silhouette. Avatar. Image. Vanessa Rabasandratana. Link. 17 hours ago. The 26th of December 2017, 23:22. Time. List item. List. With 2 items. Middle dot. Exited time. Updated. List item. Follow. Button. You have just purchased your Nano S, now you need to configure it and install some applications to use it. Overview. Heading 1. Your new Nano S. Heading 2. The Nano S includes an OLED screen, 2 buttons, and it is provided with a micro USB/USB cable to be plugged on the USB 2 port of your computer, not USB 3. If your computer only has USB-C ports, you can use an on-the-go adapter. Link. Dot. Image. The 2 buttons will be used to navigate. Scroll up and down in the dashboard and menus by pressing right or left button. List item. List. With 2 items. Select and validate by pressing both buttons simultaneously. List item. As you can see, there is not any power button, you simply need to connect your Nano S to turn it on, and to disconnect the cable to turn it off. With no prior step. Ledger Nano S, Overview, YouTube. YouTube Video Player. Ledger Nano S, Overview. Link. Watch later as Chuak more. Button. Share. Button. Has pop-up. Play. Button. Prior to starting. Heading 2. You need 2 things to make your Nano S work. A connected computer running Chrome browser. List item. List. With 2 items. Comma. Where you will install and run your wallets to manage your accounts. Send and receive payments. Your Nano S with its USB cable. List item. To log in your Chrome applications and authenticate your transactions. Configuration. Heading 1. The initialization doesn't need to be done online. Ledger Nano S, configure a new device, YouTube. YouTube Video Player. Ledger Nano S, configure a new device. Link. Watch later as Chuak more. Button. Share. Button. Has pop-up. Play. Button. Pin code. Heading 2. Connect your Nano S on a wall socket or a computer. List item. List. With 6 items. Press both buttons as stated. List item. Then you can choose if you want. List item. To configure a new device with an original seed. List item. List. With 2 items. Or if you want to restore a configuration. List item. If you want to create a new seed, select configure as new device by clicking on the right button above the check icon. List item. If you want to import a seed you already have, click on the left button above the cross. You will be prompted to restore a configuration instead of creating a new one. Link. Choose a PIN code. Depending on which firmware you have, the number of digits can vary. List item. If you run 1.1 or 1.2 firmware, you can select 4 digits, like the example in our video. List item. List. With 2 items. If you run 1.3 and more, you can select 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 digits. List item. As long as the next step, 24 words backup, is not validated, this PIN code isn't validated. List item. 24 words backup. Heading 2. The 24 words of your seed will now be displayed, one by one. This step is paramount as list item. List. With 9 items. This seed is the ownership and the backup of your wallet and funds. Link. Be really careful to read and write each one correctly. If you make even one single mistake on a character, your seed would be false and you could not be able to recover your funds in case of need. Take the recovery sheet provided in your box. List item. On this recovery sheet, write down word £1, then check it twice or 3 times. List item. Write down word £2, then check it twice or 3 times. Then be careful to note it in second position. List item. Write down word £3, then check it twice or 3 times. Then be careful to note it in third position. List item. And so on for each word until the £24 List item. Yes, this step is long and needs a full concentration, but it is absolutely required. Note that the 24 word seed is what makes you your own bank, as you are the only one to know this secret. List item. List. With 4 items. What makes you the owner of your coins? List item. The only way to recover your funds if you lose your Nano S. List item. Shown only once. During this initialization step, it won't be displayed anymore. In any way. List item. Once the full list of 24 words have been written down, validate as required. List item. Verify the displayed words by selecting the right ones that match with the ones you copied. List item. When your Nano S displays quote your device is now ready quote your Nano S is configured. List item. Install your applications. Heading 1. To open and manage a coin wallet, you need to launch the wallet application on your computer. List item. List. With 2 items. Open the dedicated companion application on your Nano S to unlock and synchronize the wallet. List item. So for each wallet you need 2 applications, one on your computer, one on your Nano S. Applications on your Nano S. Heading 2. Your Nano S is a multi-application device, so you can install and uninstall several applications on it, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP aka Ripple, and many other ones, altcoins, authentication, etc. Some of them provided by Ledger, some of them by other companies. By default, your Nano S has some applications already installed. Bitcoin. List item. List. With 3 items. Ethereum. List item. And FIDO U2F. List item. They can be removed, replaced, and you can add new applications thanks to the Ledger Manager, which is like a free app store to download and delete your applications. Warning. Note that your Nano S can hold about 5 applications at the same time, but you can deal with many more applications, as many as stated on the Ledger Manager, by removing and installing the ones you need to manage. Removing an application won't make you lose your coins, you will be able to see your balance and transact as soon as the coin application has been installed again. Install the Ledger Manager on your computer. List item. List. With 3 items. In your Chrome browser. List item. List. With 2 items. Go to this page. Visit it. Link. Click on quote add to Chrome quote. List item. Launch the Ledger Manager. List item. C. How to launch the application once it is installed. Link. Remove the applications you don't want by clicking on the bin. Install the ones you need by clicking on the green arrow. List item. C. How to use the Ledger Manager. Visit it. Link. Ledger applications on your computer. Heading 2. Ledger provides 3 different Ledger wallet applications to download. To use these wallets, the companion application on your Nano S must have the quote browser support quote option set on no. Link. Dot. Ledger Wallet Bitcoin. Link. List item. List. With 3 items. Follow the guide to install and use it. How to install and use the Bitcoin Chrome application. Link. It supports Bitcoin. List item. List. With 11 items. Bitcoin Cash. List item. Dogecoin. List item. Komodo. List item. Litecoin. List item. Stratus. List item. Dash. List item. Zcash. List item. PIVX. List item. Fiacoin. List item. Faircoin. List item. Ledger Wallet Ethereum. Visited. Link. List item. Follow the guide to install and use it. How to install and use Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. Visited. Link. It supports Ethereum single account. List item. List. With 2 items. Ethereum Classic single account. List item. Ledger Wallet XRP. Link. List item. Follow the guide to install and use it. How to install and use XRP aka Ripple. Link. It supports XRP aka Ripple. List item. List. With 1 item. Third-party applications on your computer. Heading 2. There are also applications not provided by Ledger but by third party that can be used with the Nano S. Your private keys remain securely held by the Ledger when transacting on such integrated wallets. My Other Wallet. Link. List item. List.